Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will start chapter number 4 of new syllabus mathematics D2, which is further expansion and factorization of quadratic expressions. In chapter number 3 we have studied expansion of factorization of quadratic expression. Now there are some further types of expansion and factorization. Today is our lesson number 18, and in this we will study expansion and simplification of algebraic expression. Its first exercise is the same as the first exercise of chapter number 3, that is 3a. There are same type of expressions for expansion which we have done there, but there these expressions are a bit difficult. Let's study. Now this is expansion of algebraic expression which we have already studied in chapter number 3. Expanding means removing the grouping symbols such as parentheses, bracket, braces without changing the value of the expression. These are things to remember, that the letter or number without a sign is positive. There is an invisible multiplication sign between outside and opening bracket. Be careful multiplying positive and negative values when expanding. You have to be careful while multiplying both numbers with positive signs. The answer will always be positive. The multiplying two numbers with the negative signs, the answer will be positive. That is, multiplying two numbers of same signs gives a positive answer, and multiplying two numbers of different signs, one negative one positive or one positive one negative, will give you negative sign. Use the abbreviation PMDAS to remember the order of operations. All these things which we have studied in chapter number 3. So this is just for your revision. Rules for basic expansion of algebraic expression. This is what we have already studied. Product of algebraic terms. When there are two terms having same letters or different letters, how we will multiply these two terms? We will multiply numbers by numbers and letters by letters. If two letters are of if there is a multiplication of two same letters, we will add their powers, and if the multiplication is of two different signs, we will remove the multiplication sign and we will write the signs as letters as it is. This is the example. One term and second term. We will multiply number with number and letter with letter. It will give us 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x, which is 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and x multiplied by x is x to raise power 2. Here the power of x is 1 and the power of x is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now in this expression there are two terms, 2xy cube and 3x square y. These two terms have different letters. We will multiply numbers with number, same letters with same letters, numbers with numbers and letters with letters, and we will get 2 multiplied by 3. Numbers are multiplied with the numbers, same letters are multiplied. In the first term letter is x, and in the second term letter is x square. In the first term there is y cube, and in the second term there is y. So 2 3s are 6. When we will multiply these two same letters, we will add their powers. We will get x to raise power 3, and when we multiply these two same letters, we will add their powers. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is question number 1 of exercise 4a, which is of this type. That is, there are terms 6x multiplied by minus 2y. So we will multiply number with number plus 6 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 12, and x multiply with y, so we will get xy. 14x multiplied by 1 by 2y, we will multiply 14 with 1 by 2. Multiplying 14 with 1 by 2 mean dividing 14 by 2. We will cancel this. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. We are left with 7, and x multiplied by y is xy. Expansion of simple algebraic expression of the form. This is what we have studied in chapter number 3. If there is an expression within the bracket and outside the bracket there is a letter or number, what we will do, we will multiply this number or letter outside the bracket with each term within the bracket, like this. We will multiply this k with x, k with y, k with z, and we will get kx, ky, kz. And similarly, if there is negative sign outside the bracket, so we will change the sign of each term within the bracket. Minus kx, minus ky, minus kz. Expand this, we will multiply 2 with x and 2 with minus 2, and we will get 2x minus 4. Similarly, we will multiply minus 3x with 3 and minus 3x with minus 4x, and we will get minus 9x. Minus multiplied by minus will give you plus 12x square. This is question number 2 of exercise 4a. You are asked to expand each of the following. So we will multiply 8x with y, and we will get 8xy, and we will multiply 8x with minus 1, and we will get minus 8x. Its f part, minus 4c multiplied by 2c minus 5d. So we will multiply minus 4c with 2c. Minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8, and c multiplied with c is c square. And minus 4 multiplied with minus 5 will give you plus 20, and c multiplied with d will give you cd. Each part is minus 8m. Within bracket there is an expression minus 12m minus 7n. So we will multiply minus 7m with minus 12m. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. 8 multiplied by 12 is 96, and m multiplied by m is m square. Then minus 8 multiplied by minus 7 is 56, and m multiplied by n is mn. This is I part, 2p, and within bracket there is an expression having 3 terms. So we will multiply 2p with each term, with 3p, with q, and with 7r. When we will multiply 2p with 3p, so 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and p multiplied by p, same letters, so their powers will be added. 6p square. 2p multiplied with q. When there is no number with the letter, it means there is 1. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and they are different letters, so we will write these letters without signs, pq. And 2p multiplied by 7r will give us 14 PR. So you can solve the remaining part of this question by yourself, which are of the same type. Question number 3 of exercise 4a. You are asked to expand and simplify each of the following. Look at this. We have just expanded this type of expression in question number 2. We will expand this, and we will expand this separately. So when we will multiply 7a with 3b, we will get 21ab. 7a with minus 4c, we will get 28ac. And plus 4a with 3c, we will get 12ac, and plus 4a with minus 2b, we will get minus 8ab. Now we have to simplify. How we will simplify? We know that we will collect like terms. Like terms are the terms having same letters. Now this is the term with letters A and B. Is there any other term with letter A and B? Yes, this is A and B. 21AB minus 8B, AB are like terms, and minus 28AC plus 12AC are second type kind of like terms. So we will collect these like terms. 21AB minus 8AB minus 28AC plus 12AC. So simplifying this, these two numbers are of different signs. So when adding, we have to the numbers with different sign, we subtract the numbers, and with the answer we write the sign of the larger. Here sign of the larger is positive. 21 minus 8 is 13AB, and 28AC plus 12AC. Now we will write the sign of the larger, which is negative, and 28 minus 12 will give us 16AC. So this is the expansion and this is the simplification. You can solve its B part by yourself. Now next type of expansion is of this type, which we have already studied in chapter number 3. When there are two brackets, then how we will expand these two brackets. The rule of expansion is that we multiply first term with first term, that is A with C, first with first, we get AC. Then outer terms A and D, they are outer terms. A outer with outer, we will get AD. Then inner B and C, or we will take the first term of the first bracket and we will multiply this with each term of the second bracket. A multiplied by C, we will get AC. A multiplied by D, we will get AD. And then we will take the second term and we will multiply this with each term of the second bracket. So it is BC, BD, last with last. So AC plus AC, AD plus BC plus BD is the expansion of this type of expression, and we will simplify if possible. This is question number 4 of exercise 4a. Expand and simplify. This is the question. X square plus 2 into x plus 5, two brackets. So what we will do, we will take the first term of the first bracket and we will multiply this with each term of the second bracket. X square with x and x square with 5. So we will get x square multiplied by x, we will get x cube, and x square multiplied with the 5, we will get 5x square. Then 2 with x, we get 2x, and 2 with 5, we will get 10. Now this is the expansion. Now if we want to simplify, we look that all these terms are unlike terms. There is no like term, so we will leave this expression as it is. So this is question number 4. You can solve its A part. Now after this lesson, you can solve the following questions of exercise 4a. Question number 5, which is same as question number 1 of exercise 4a, which we have just studied. Question number 6, which is same as question number 2 of this exercise. Question number 7, which is same as question number 3, and question number 8, which is same as question number 4. So try these questions please. If you have any problem, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. This is my profile and my YouTube channel is the mathematics teacher Zahid Hussain. This is my email and this is my WhatsApp number. आप प्रैक्टिस करें, जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही आपका नॉलेज जो है वो परफेक्ट होगा, बिकॉज इन मैथमेटिक्स प्रैक्टिस मेक्स नॉलेज परफेक्ट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.